tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
This area. Gloomy conditions across West Michigan this afternoon. We're not necessarily seeing drizzle or precipitation that's hitting the surface, but the clouds are very low. Here's a live view over downtown Grand Rapids. They've actually improved somewhat, and we should see those ceilings lift a bit as we head through the next several hours. The big question is, do we get some sunshine out of the day today? Not overly optimistic, but it's not impossible either. I'll show you more on that in a moment. Storm Track Live shows rain showers well north of I-96. Otherwise, areas near and south of Grand Rapids are dry for now. Temperatures are warming up pretty quickly. Still at 47 in Grand Rapids, but we're up to 54 in Allegan, 54 in Kalamazoo, 55 in South Haven, and 57 in Benton Harbor. So temperatures are going to continue to warm. We have winds out of the south as that warm front has lifted off to our north. Those winds are between 5 and 15 miles per hour. Here's a look at the severe weather threats kind of as an overview, and the main timing for this is going to be this evening, late this afternoon through late this evening. 7 p.m. through 2 a.m. is the primary time frame. Chance for tornadoes appears low. Can't rule it out, but the chance looks low. We are watching the potential for a few damaging wind gusts, a few large hailstones, and perhaps some ponding on area roadways. But the worst of our severe weather threat is off of the south. Well, we're going to have to watch closely. I talked about how we're seeing cloudy skies for now, but notice some breaks in that cloud cover beginning to develop off to our southwest, especially over northern Illinois. We have reason to believe this would increase our severe weather chances, so we'll have to continue to watch that potential. As we head through Futurecast, though, let's walk you through this afternoon first. Here's the storm development taking place in Missouri. This is kind of the first batch. You see those storms develop pretty quickly and expand by 3 o'clock. The areas in eastern Iowa, western Illinois picking up on some strong to severe storms. 5 o'clock, the latest timing on the weather models, keep us pretty dry. We'll have the chance of a pop-up storm or two, but it looks like the greatest threat, again, is going to move in for us by mid-evening. By 6 o'clock, Chicago's starting to pick up on some of those storms. Timing has moved up a bit, so by 7 o'clock, we'll see our first batch of perhaps some strong to severe thunderstorms. The greatest threat for damaging winds associated with these storms is going to come with this line as it moves on shore between 10 and 11 o'clock, but it will be weakening as it does so. After that, we dry things out for the most part, with the exception of a few light rain or snow showers. We've just heard from the Storm Prediction Center they're planning on upgrading parts of Arkansas and Mississippi and parts of Iowa and Illinois into a high risk, the first high risk issued by the Storm Prediction Center in 2 years. So this is certainly a day to take seriously, especially for the neighbors off to the west. Here, the chance is lower, but it's not zero. The slight risk was expanded this morning to include areas near and south of I-96. Enhanced risk includes Chicagoland and far southern Berrien and Cass counties. Greatest threat with this is going to be damaging wind gusts, but we also can't rule out an isolated tornado. Parts of West Michigan included in that 2% risk. Winds are going to remain quite gusty. In fact, they pick up overnight into the day tomorrow, steady at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Your hourly planner shows temperatures warming to near 60 degrees. With that chance for storms, it begins this afternoon, but I think the most widespread storm activity will occur this evening. We have a weather day today. Just keep in mind that you want to keep a close eye on the radar and on the weather alerts. Much cooler tomorrow, but we remain in a rather active pattern. Our next chance of storms comes Tuesday night, but warmer temperatures too in the upper 50s to low 60s. So moral of the story today, keep a close eye on the radar and stay with us through the day, and we'll be keeping you updated.
One of those busy days for you guys here.
Yes, it is, and a busy travel day. A lot of folks heading out
That
on
is
spring
true.
break.
That is true. Get that Storm Team 8 app.
That's right.